with incredible empathy capacities, and we can even extend this empathy to the environment and other species like cats, dogs. But that needs to be cultivated, of course. When it comes to creativity and ability to solve complex problems, it's actually much better to have self-direction, passion and purpose rather than competition and pressure for a monetary reward. And our behavior is drastically shaped by culture and the environment where we live. So we should take care very carefully about the environment where we grow our kids and ourselves. So, and this system was not designed for the current levels of productivity and automation. Was not designed for these levels of population, was designed for 1 billion people population. And the level of complexity of the challenges we will need to overcome is just constantly increasing. So, in my opinion, should be either dramatically updated or gradually substituted. So I would like to conclude saying that the world is going to change with or without you. So get ready.
Da er vi faktisk i gang. Jeg tror at Daniel her har satt fingeren på en del viktige ting. Nå skal vi få litt mer konkrete, praktiske bidrag fra forskjellige kilder. Først ut er Stina Jakobsen. Hun er fysioterapeut og bryr seg om både mennesker og miljø. Og er koordinator for Arrangørforeningen, Foreningen for ressursbasert økonomi. Så Stina, jeg synes at da skulle du faktisk gå i gang. Vær så god, velkommen.